Solve for A. This is called a literal equation. And with the literal equation, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to get the variable you care about all by itself, knowing very well there's a bunch of variables in the way. So what do I have? I have M on top in the numerator, A in the denominator, and B just floating around. Well, how do I get rid of a B just floating around? Let's subtract it from both sides first. So that leaves me with Z minus B equals M over A. Okay, now I'm going to approach this differently. I'm going to put this over 1. My job is to get A all by itself. If I put this over 1 and rewrite it so that it looks a little bit prettier, like so, I now have a proportion. And with a proportion, what you do is you cross multiply. So 1 times M is 1M, or just M, and that's going to equal A times Z minus B. Now, since this is a group in a fraction, I'm going to make sure I put it in parentheses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Let's distribute. No, no, no. My job is to get A completely all by itself. I have a parentheses of stuff being multiplied to A. How do I get rid of a parentheses of stuff being multiplied to A? Divide that parentheses of stuff from both sides, like so. That crosses out. Now I'm going to write it over here on the right side because I'm running out of space. Okay, but that leaves me with M over, I don't need the parentheses anymore, Z minus B equals A. A is all alone now. Some teachers might be okay with that and say, that's fine, but I prefer to have my A on the left. So if M over Z minus B equals A, then A is going to equal M over Z minus B. It's the same thing, just written backwards. This is prettier, but that's okay. Okay, so that's a literal equation. This one was very, very, very tricky, but we got the job done. Literally. Oh, thanks for watching.